जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 43rd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching निष्काम कर्म to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, the main reason for entire grief is ignorance. Ignorance means not knowing about your real nature. The kamam, the desire, is obstructing you from knowing about yourself." So, what is kamam doing is, kamam, the desire, is taking over your indriyas, your manas and your buddhi. Because this kamam is trying to destroy you, now you have to destroy this kamam. It is not easy, but you cannot leave it like that. So Arjuna, to destroy the kamam, you have to keep doing your duties by studying your mind with your buddhi and keep dedicating all your works to me, and do not expect results of your actions. With that kind of practice, you should conquer your insatiable enemy known as kamam, desire, lust. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving his teaching, having Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Evam buddhehe param buddhva samstabhya atmanam atmana जहि शत्रुं महाबाहो कामरूपं दुरासदम्। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always meditate upon me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings by reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ద్వితీయ స్కంధం, Srisuka Yogindra, before he begins teachings to Parikshit Narendra, now he is doing namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, saying that the one who is the Atma to all the Atmas, such Paramatma, such Paramapurusha, Sriman Narayana, I am doing namaskaram to. O Parikshit Narendra, people does yoga abhyasam, and for them Atma Darshanam is the result. Once they do Atma Darshanam, they are such a great yogis. To all those yogis, sa yesha Atma, Atmavatamadhishvaraha. For all those yogis, the main Atma, Paramatma, Parama Prabhu is Sriman Narayana. To such Sriman Narayana, I am doing namaskaram. The one who gives fruits to all the yogis, such Sriman Narayana I am doing namaskaram to. Or Parikshit Narendra, the one who is worshipped by all kind of rituals which are disclosed by Vedas is Sriman Narayana. To such Sriman Narayana I am doing namaskaram. O Parikshit Narendra, the one who is disclosed by Upanishads, the one who is disclosed by all the Upasanas, the one who is realized by all the Upasanas which are disclosed by Upanishads. To such Sriman Narayana I am doing namaskaram. O Parikshit Narendra, the only one who can give moksham, to such Sriman Narayana I am doing namaskaram. O Parikshit Narendra, even Brahma, Rudra and any Devata cannot perceive the entirety of the attributes of Paramatma. To such Paramapurusha Sriman Narayana I am doing namaskaram. O Parikshit Narendra, Sriman Narayana is the one Shriyapatihi, Yajnapatihi, Prajapatihi, Dhiyampatihi, Lokapatihi, Dharapatihi. Sriman Narayana is the one Sripati. Sriman Narayana is Lakshmi Devi's spouse. Sriman Narayana is Yajnapati. Sriman Narayana is the protector of all the souls. Sriman Narayana is the one who controls, governs intellect of every soul. Sriman Narayana is the one who is the master of all the worlds. Sriman Narayana is the master of all the people who are living in all the worlds. Sriman Narayana is protector of this bhulokam. Sriman Narayana is the one who came down as Rama. Sriman Narayana is the one who came down as Krishna. Sriman Narayana is the one who came down as Narasimha, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Vamana. O Parikshit Narendra, Sriman Narayana is the one who has taken so many forms, avatars, to give his most miraculous, wonderful, divine activities and most of his presence to the great devotees. That is how he made all the great devotees happy. The main purpose of Sriman Narayana coming down in different avatarams is to make sadhu samrakshana, means make all the great bhaktas happy. O Parikshit Narendra, Sriman Narayana is the one who killed all the bad people. Sriman Narayana is the one who preserves dharma. Such Parama Purusha, to such Sriman Narayana I am doing namaskaram. Such Sriman Narayana prasidatam me Bhagavan satam patihi. May he bless all of us. May he shower his anugraham on me. O Parikshit Narendra, such Sriman Narayana, may he be perceived by me easily. Sulabhundauga kanaku eppudun. To such Sriman Narayana, to such Parama Purusha, I am doing namaskaram, I am surrendering. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra, while disclosing the glory of Sriman Narayana, and he is surrendering to Sriman Narayana before he begins his teachings to Parikshit Narendra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Jikhve Kirtaya Kesavam Muraripum Cheto Bhajasridharam Panidvandva Samarchaya Achyuta Kathaha Srotradvaya Tvam Srunu Krishnam Lokaya Lochanadvaya Harehe Gacchangri Yugmalayam Jighragrana Mukunda Pada Tulasim Murdhan Namadhokshajam. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 43rd sloka. Evam buddhehe param buddhva samstabhya atmanam atmana jahi setrum mahabaho Kamarupam Durasadam. Evam buddhehe param buddhva samstabhyatmanamatmana jahi setrum mahabaho kamarupam durasadam. Sriman Narayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.